Flushing water mains is part of New York American Water Maintenance Program, and this is performed to remove harmless minerals and sediments from the distribution system. Water mains are flushed by opening our fire hydrants, which allows the minerals and deposits to be removed from our distribution system. Second benefit is that it doubles as an opportunity for us to check our distribution system, make sure the pressures are right for fire protection. During flushing, our customers may experience a low water pressure or discolored water, and this will clear up eventually. It's just a normal part of our flushing process. If our customers experience discolored water, we recommend that they turn on their faucets for 10 or 15 minutes, and that should clear up any sediments that are in the lines. As part of our flushing process, our crews are sometimes out on the road, and what we're asking is that our customers be careful when driving, slow down as a safety precaution. Our customers can learn more about our flushing program from our websites or Facebook page or from bill inserts.